Hey guys, so today I have got a bit of a different kind of haul video to show you. If you watched my Halloween makeup and accessory haul video, you will have seen me get some of these already, and that is the Glamermaid nails. They were literally amazing. I loved them so much. Some of my favourite nails I've ever had. I've actually only used one pack so far because I love them so much. I'm kind of saving them for a special occasion. I think they're just amazing. The quality is really nice. They're super thick. They don't bend. They go on really well. They stayed on really well. The design didn't rub off or peel off or anything. It stayed the same throughout me wearing them for a few weeks. They are just so good. So they asked if I wanted to show you guys some more, so they have sent me 10 more packs to show you. So like I said, the company is Glamermaid. I'll put all the information down below for them so you can go and check them out. But I do also have a 20% off discount code, which is Luna20. So I'll put that here on the screen now and down below too, in case you want to go and get a bit of a discount if you're going to buy some. But I am just going to show you all of these different nails I got, and I'll open a pack at the end as well and show you what it looks like inside and what you get with it and stuff. So the first ones I got on the top are these ones. Now when you open the pack, there is a little bit down here with more nails in, and the other nails do have different designs on them. So at the end of each of these, like showing you these, I'm gonna put a picture of what I saw on the website with the other designs in, because there's some Powerpuff Girl ones in here somewhere, and there's only one girl in the front and the rest of the girls are in the little bit down here. So yeah, I'll put the picture of what I saw on the website so you can kind of see them better, but this is what the first ones look like in the packet anyway. So there's black ones, grey ones, and some stripy black and white ones. So next we have these ones, which are some really cute little Powerpuff Girl ones. Like I say, I think there was other different designs, like a pink one and a blue one, but I will post a picture of what I saw so that you can see the whole set. But they're super detailed, really cute. I did buy some little shorter ones like this because I've got a lot of long ones, and sometimes wearing really long ones is like kind of effort because they get caught on everything. So I wanted a mixture of some longer and some shorter ones. Next I got these ones. Now these remind me of a very kind of like Vans sort of design with the fire and the checkerboard. Really cool though. So that is them. Next we have these ones. So there is like flames and hearts and checkerboard and a little smiley face and stuff, and they are in purple and pink. So you could either have one whole hand purple and one whole hand pink, or you could kind of mix and match them so that each hand was a mix of both of the colours. That is those ones. Then I got these ones. Now I nearly didn't get these because I thought they might look a little weird. But I think they're actually really cute, and they give off kind of like a gothy sort of vibe. You'll see what I mean when you see them properly. They could be taken both ways, but these are little kind of like, how can I say this without it sounding bad? Little strappy sort of looking ones. It's not showing up great on camera, but they do actually have a crisscross kind of fishnet sort of looking pattern on the ends. And there is all these different types of like O-ring designs on them. So that is those ones. Then next, I think these are maybe my least favourite I've got from the whole lot, just because of the colour of them, honestly. They're still really cute, love them. They're little poison apple, like Disney villains kind of ones. I think the red is just a little off on a few of them. It's got kind of like a paler sort of effect on the sides, But honestly, when you're wearing them, you probably won't even be able to tell. You could even file that off a little bit. Really, really cute though. I bet these are going to look so cute on with the little drips and stuff. So that is those. Then next we have these ones. So these are some of the plainer kind of ones I got, and they're super long. And these ones are black with little tiny stars on them and moons. There was also some suns in this pack as well, I remember. So like I said, I will show the picture in a second of the little sun designs. But yeah, these are super, super long. Once they're on your nail, they're going to be maybe like that sort of length. So a lot longer than what I've got on now. Very kind of mystical looking. Then I have these ones. So these have little pentacles, snakes, some stars, kind of like an eye design. I can't remember what else was in with these ones, but they are a darker pink, a lighter pink and black. So they are very cool. And then I've left what I think are maybe my two favourite ones till the end. So we have these ones, which I know look really plain, but they're kind of like a comic book sort of, like a pop art sort of maybe. They have this design on which makes it look very comic-y. I'm pretty sure there was other colours as well. I just think they're going to look so cool when they're on. I don't know. I really like these that have the sort of outline all the way around the nail. So I know they look plain, but I think they're going to look really good. So there is them. And then the last ones are these. So these have a little cross charm on them. It's like 3D, a little golden charm stuck on there. And some have flames on. I just really like these cross ones. That's why I got them, for the little cross charm ones. I think they will look really, really cute. So I'm going to just quickly open a box to show you what's inside, because then you can see what it looks like when you actually get some. And these are the Powerpuff Girls ones. So like, this is the design that it shows on the front, but I can already see there's loads of other different ones in here. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You get a little package, and it's got a alcohol wipe, a little cuticle stick and a nail file. You also get 2 sheets of these little sticky like nail stickers to put them on with. I don't use these, I use glue, but if you don't want them to stay on for as long, like if you're just going for a night out and you want to wear them for one night or something, you can use the little stickers. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So there's this extra bubble at the top here, which, like you can see, has the other little Powerpuff Girls in there. Like I said, a pink and a blue version. There's also this big one that says Girl Power with a heart on it. There's different stripy ones than in this section. There's always loads of different ones up here. So that is what that part looks like. They are all different sizes as well, so obviously you'd put on the ones that probably fit your nails the best, but they do come with 24, so it's more than enough for 2 sets. If you want to file some of the other ones down that are maybe too big, you could probably get 2 sets out of these, which is what I do most of the time. I just keep the leftovers in a little like Ziploc baggy thing and like file them down to make another set out of. So that was all of the Glamermaid nails. They did also send this little extra in here, which is some nail prep oil remover. So I'm going to assume that you put this on your nails before like the sticky tabs or the glue to make them kind of stick on there better. So that's super helpful, kind of like a primer sort of stuff. So yeah, that was all of the Glamermaid nails I got to show you. Like I said, I will put all the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. And if you are going to get any, then please feel free to use the discount code for 20% off. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.